Hello viewers. Our topic today is likely based possibly prediction, which two brands will dominate the cargo trailer market in 2026? Friends, the cargo trailer industry is experiencing unprecedented transformation as we approach 2026, with market dynamics shifting dramatically due to technological innovation, changing consumer preferences, and evolving business needs. Understanding which brands will dominate this competitive landscape requires careful analysis of current trends, manufacturer capabilities, and market positioning strategies. The cargo trailer market, valued at over $15 billion annually in North America alone, represents a critical segment of the transportation and logistics ecosystem. As e-commerce continues its explosive growth and small businesses seek flexible solutions for mobile operations, the demand for reliable, versatile cargo trailers has never been higher. Industry experts predict that by 2026, two particular brands will emerge as clear market leaders, capturing significant market share through strategic innovation and customer-focused approaches. These brands are not just selling trailers, they're offering complete mobility solutions that address the complex needs of modern businesses and consumers. Their success will be built on foundations of quality engineering, customer service excellence, and adaptive business models that respond to rapidly changing market conditions. Looking at the competitive landscape today, several manufacturers are vying for market dominance, but the evidence increasingly points toward United Trailers and Continental Cargo as the two brands poised to lead the industry into 2026. United Trailers has been steadily gaining ground through its commitment to American manufacturing and innovative design approaches that prioritize both functionality and durability. The company's investment in advanced materials and construction techniques has resulted in trailers that offer superior strength-to-weight ratios, addressing one of the most critical concerns for consumers who need to maximize payload capacity while maintaining fuel efficiency. Continental Cargo, meanwhile, has distinguished itself through an extensive dealer network and a diverse product lineup that serves everyone from weekend warriors to commercial fleet operators. Their strategic acquisitions and partnerships over the past few years have positioned them uniquely in the market, providing economies of scale that allow competitive pricing without sacrificing quality. Both companies have demonstrated financial stability and growth trajectories that suggest they have the resources necessary to weather economic uncertainties and invest in future innovations that will keep them ahead of competitors. Friends, the technological revolution sweeping through the cargo trailer industry cannot be overstated, and both United Trailers and Continental Cargo have positioned themselves at the forefront of this transformation. Smart trailer technology, which seemed like science fiction just a few years ago, is now becoming standard equipment on premium models and will likely be ubiquitous by 2026. These innovations include GPS tracking systems that provide real-time location data, helping businesses manage fleet logistics and recover stolen trailers more effectively. Additionally, integrated sensor networks monitor tire pressure, brake functionality, and cargo conditions, sending alerts to owners' smartphones when maintenance is needed or potential problems are detected. United Trailers has been particularly aggressive in integrating IoT connectivity into their product lines, partnering with technology companies to develop proprietary apps that transform ordinary cargo trailers into sophisticated mobile assets. Continental Cargo has taken a different but equally effective approach, focusing on modular technology packages that allow customers to customize their trailers with exactly the features they need without paying for unnecessary extras. This flexibility appeals to cost-conscious buyers while still providing access to cutting-edge innovations. Sustainability considerations are rapidly becoming deciding factors in purchasing decisions, and the two brands predicted to dominate in 2026 have both made significant commitments to environmental responsibility. United Trailers has pioneered the use of recycled aluminum in their construction processes, reducing the environmental impact of manufacturing while creating trailers that are naturally resistant to rust and corrosion. Their facilities have implemented solar power generation and closed-loop water systems that dramatically reduce the environmental footprint of production. Continental Cargo has focused on developing aerodynamic designs that reduce drag when trailers are being towed, improving fuel efficiency for customers and reducing carbon emissions across millions of miles of travel annually. They've also introduced eco-friendly coating systems that eliminate harmful VOCs while providing superior protection against the elements. Both companies have recognized that sustainability isn't just good corporate citizenship, it's increasingly important to consumers, particularly younger buyers who prioritize environmental considerations in their purchasing decisions. By 2026, these early investments in green manufacturing and design will give both brands significant competitive advantages as environmental regulations tighten and consumer preferences continue shifting towards sustainable products. The dealer and service network infrastructure that supports cargo trailer sales and maintenance will be crucial to market dominance in 2026, and this is an area where Continental Cargo and United Trailers have built formidable competitive moats. Continental Cargo operates one of the most extensive dealer networks in North America, with authorized service centers positioned strategically to ensure that customers are never far from expert support. This network effect creates powerful advantages. Dealers who invest in training, parts inventory, and specialized equipment become more profitable, which incentivizes them to promote Continental Cargo products preferentially. United Trailers has pursued a slightly different strategy, combining traditional dealerships with direct-to-consumer sales channels that leverage digital marketing and online configuration tools. This hybrid approach allows them to serve customers who prefer the convenience of online research and purchasing while still maintaining physical locations for those who want hands-on experiences before buying. Both companies have invested heavily in training programs that ensure service technicians across their networks are qualified to handle increasingly sophisticated trailer systems. As trailers incorporate more technology, the value of expert service becomes even more critical, and manufacturers with robust support networks will capture customers who prioritize long-term reliability and convenient maintenance options. Market segmentation analysis reveals that the cargo trailer industry serves diverse customer groups with distinct needs, and the brands positioned to dominate in 2026 excel at addressing multiple segments simultaneously. Commercial users represent the largest and most lucrative market segment, including contractors, landscapers, mobile food vendors, and delivery services that depend on trailers for daily business operations. These customers prioritize durability, payload capacity, and total cost of ownership over years of intensive use. United Trailers has developed specialized commercial lines with reinforced frames, heavy-duty axles, and features like built-in shelving systems and workbenches that transform trailers into mobile workshops. Continental Cargo has captured significant commercial market share through fleet programs that offer volume discounts, extended warranties, and dedicated account management for businesses operating multiple trailers. The recreational segment, though smaller in unit volume, represents growing opportunity as Americans increasingly embrace outdoor activities and mobile lifestyles. Both brands offer enclosed trailers perfect for hauling motorcycles, ATVs, camping equipment, and sports gear, with thoughtful design features like interior lighting, tie-down systems, and weatherproofing that recreational users value. The ability to serve both commercial and recreational markets effectively requires different design philosophies, distribution strategies, and marketing approaches, but mastering this balance provides revenue stability and growth opportunities that single-segment competitors cannot match. Innovation in materials science is revolutionizing cargo trailer construction, and the manufacturers who lead in adopting and developing these advanced materials will dominate the market in 2026. Traditional steel construction, while affordable and familiar, has significant limitations including weight, corrosion susceptibility, and repair complexity. United Trailers has invested substantially in aluminum technology, recognizing that aluminum trailers offer compelling advantages despite higher initial costs. Aluminum's natural corrosion resistance means trailers maintain their structural integrity and appearance far longer than steel alternatives, particularly in regions where road salt and moisture accelerate deterioration. The weight savings from aluminum construction are substantial, typically 300 to 600 pounds lighter than comparable steel trailers, which translates directly into increased payload capacity and improved fuel economy for towing vehicles. Continental Cargo has pursued innovation in composite materials and advanced steel alloys that provide strength improvements without the cost premium of all aluminum construction. Their research into galvanized and powder-coated steel systems has produced trailers with exceptional corrosion resistance at price points accessible to budget-conscious buyers. Both approaches have merit, and by 2026, the market will likely support both premium aluminum options and enhanced steel alternatives, with United Trailers and Continental Cargo each dominating their respective material segments while maintaining offerings across the spectrum to capture maximum market share. The financing and purchasing experience represents another critical battleground where the 2026 market leaders are establishing dominance through innovation and customer-focused approaches. Cargo trailers represent significant investments for most buyers, with quality models ranging from several $1,000s for basic utility trailers to tens of thousands for large enclosed commercial units. Continental Cargo has developed partnerships with major lending institutions to offer competitive financing programs with streamlined approval processes, making trailer ownership accessible to small businesses and individuals who might struggle to secure traditional equipment loans. Their online financing portal allows customers to check rates and get pre-approved within minutes, removing friction from the purchasing process. United Trailers has innovated differently, introducing a subscription model for commercial customers that transforms trailer acquisition from a capital expense into a predictable operating expense. This approach particularly appeals to seasonal businesses and startups that need flexibility without long-term commitments. Both companies have recognized that the purchasing experience extends beyond the transaction itself. It includes delivery, setup, orientation, and ongoing support. They've invested in customer success teams and digital resources including video tutorials, maintenance guides, and community forums where owners share tips and experiences. By reducing the stress and complexity associated with trailer ownership, these brands are building customer loyalty that transcends simple product satisfaction and creates lasting relationships that drive repeat purchases and referrals. Looking at the broader economic and regulatory environment that will shape the cargo trailer market through 2026, several factors favor the emergence of dominant national brands with resources to navigate complexity. Transportation regulations continue evolving, with new requirements for braking systems, lighting standards, and weight distribution monitoring being phased in across different jurisdictions. Manufacturers with sophisticated compliance programs and the engineering resources to stay ahead of regulatory changes will have significant advantages over smaller competitors who struggle to keep pace. United Trailers and Continental Cargo both maintain dedicated regulatory affairs departments that monitor proposed changes and engage proactively with standard-setting bodies, ensuring their products meet or exceed requirements before enforcement begins. This proactive approach prevents costly redesigns and inventory obsolescence while positioning them as industry leaders in safety and compliance. Economic factors including raw material costs, labor availability, and tariff policies create challenges that large manufacturers can navigate more effectively through vertical integration, strategic sourcing, and operational efficiency that smaller competitors cannot match. Both predicted market leaders have demonstrated resilience through recent supply chain disruptions, maintaining production and delivery schedules while many competitors faced extended delays. This operational excellence builds trust with customers and dealers who depend on reliable supply to meet their own business commitments. As we project forward to 2026, the convergence of multiple factors, technological leadership, sustainability initiatives, distribution network strength, material innovation, customer experience excellence, and operational resilience clearly positions United Trailers and Continental Cargo as the two brands most likely to dominate the cargo trailer market. Their success will not eliminate competition, but rather will reshape the industry landscape in ways that benefit consumers through improved products, better service, and more competitive pricing. Smaller regional manufacturers will continue to serve niche markets and local customers, but the economies of scale, innovation capabilities, and brand recognition that United Trailers and Continental Cargo have built create nearly insurmountable advantages in the broader market. For consumers and businesses planning trailer purchases in 2026, focusing on these two brands will likely provide the best combination of quality, value, support, and long-term satisfaction. The trailer industry's evolution mirrors broader trends in American manufacturing, where companies that invest in innovation, prioritize customer relationships, and maintain operational excellence inevitably rise to market leadership. As we watch this transformation unfold over the coming months, United Trailers and Continental Cargo stand ready to define the future of cargo transportation.